Good day, sir. In this presentation, I will explain the importance of four stages of passage planning. These stages are essential in ensuring safety, efficient, and environmental responsible navigation. I will discuss the purpose of each stage. The first stage of passage planning is appraisal. Its main purpose is to gather and assess all relevant information needed for the voyage to ensure safe navigation. Key consideration during this stage include nautical chart, sailing directions, tide, and current, weather forecast, vessel characteristic, cargo, draft, and crew capabilities. The second stage is the planning stage. During this stage, the actual route of the voyage is laid out in details based on the information gathered during appraisal. Key considerations include waypoints, course, distance, under-keel clearance, traffic separations, schemes, deep water routes, and precautionary area. The third stage is the execution stage. This stage involves carrying out the planned voyage while ensuring the bridge team clearly understands the passage plan. Key considerations include speed management, watch-keeping arrangement, fuel efficiency, and real-time weather updates. Vessel Traffic Services or VTS play an important role by providing traffic information, navigational warnings, and guide in congested areas. The final stage is monitoring stage. Its purpose is to continuously check the vessel progress and ensure it remains on the planned track. This includes monitoring position, is using GPS, ECDIS, radar, and visual bearings, as well as observing weather and traffic conditions. Any deviation from the plan is identified early and correct to prevent accidents.